Good morning student. I am going to start chapter number 6 and chapter name is Domains of Earth for class 4th. Domains of Earth, as we know that Earth is only a unique planet where life is possible. Why life is possible only on the Earth? Due to the three domains, due to the existence of water, presence of atmosphere and due to the lithosphere. So there are three domains of Earth. First one is a atmosphere in form of gases, second is a hydrosphere in form of water, and the last one it is a lithosphere in form of a solid form. So these are three domains of Earth, and biosphere includes all three domains: atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. You can see the first one hydrosphere, second one is atmosphere and last one is a lithosphere. So domains means a part, region or area of the earth. First one domain is a lithosphere. Lithosphere is a crust, also known as a crust part of the earth, solid part of the earth. The word lithosphere is derived from the Greek word lithos, which means rock. So it is a solid rocky crust part of the earth, and we can say that the uppermost part of the earth is called a lithosphere. Lithosphere comprises all the land masses. First one is mountains, second one deep valleys, fertile plains, deserts. So it comprises all the land masses. Lithosphere is further divided into two parts. First one is continental lithosphere and second one is the oceanic lithospheres. Continental lithosphere includes continental crust like mountains, deep valleys and plateaus. And oceanic lithosphere consists of oceanic crust, means all water bodies. So continents, the next one is a continent. There are 7 continents. The first one is the first continent is Asia continent. It is the largest continent. The second one is Africa. It is the second largest continent. So Asia is the first largest continent, and it covers 1/3 of the total land area of the earth. 1/3. And Africa is the second largest and second most populated continent in the world. Asia, the together landmass of Asia and Africa is called Eurasia. The next one, the world largest river, Nile river, flows in the Africa. Sahara desert, the largest hottest world desert of the world, also lies in the Africa, that is a Sahara desert. The next one is a North America. The next continent, the third continent is a North America. North America is linked to South America with the help of Isthmus of Panama. With the help of Isthmus of the Panama, that is a water body, it is linked with the South America. The next continent is a South America. South America is the 4th largest continent in the world, and the largest mountain in this mountain, it is located in the South America, and the largest river Amazon also flows in the South America. The next one continent is the Antarctic continent. It is also called a icy continent because it covered with the snow throughout the year. So that is Antarctic continent. It is a 5th largest continent. It lies near the South Poles, and India has 2 search stations in the Antarctica. First one is a Maitri and second one is a Dakshin Gangotri. The next continent is a Europe continent. It is a 6th continent, second smallest continent by the surface of area, and it is surrounded by water bodies on the 3 sides and arctic circles passing through the Europe. The next one is the Australia continent. It is the smallest continent. From all sides it is surrounded with the water, so it is also called the Iceland continents. The next domains of the earth is a hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is in form of water. It includes all the water forms like ocean, seas, deep valleys, lakes, streams. about 71% of the earth's surface is covered with the water, and most of water on the earth is present in form of oceans, and there are 5 oceans. First one is a Pacific Ocean, North Pacific Ocean and North Pacific Ocean. The deepest point of the earth, Mariana Trench, it is also located in the Pacific Ocean. The word Pacific means peaceful. This name is given by Ferdinand Magellan to the Pacific Ocean. So it is the first largest ocean in the world. The earth deepest point, Mariana Trench, also located in the Pacific Ocean. The second is the Atlantic Ocean, North Atlantic Ocean and South Atlantic Ocean. This ocean is very useful from the point of view trade, commerce, and it also connected the different countries with each other by the way of sea. The third ocean is a Indian Ocean. It is an ocean that is named after a country named that is India. It is the third largest ocean, and in the west side it is bounded by the Africa, north side by Asia, and east side by Australia. The next ocean is a Southern Ocean and also known as the Antarctic Ocean. It is also called the icy ocean because it is covered with the snow throughout the year. Iceberg floats over the water. The last one ocean is the Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is around the north pole of the earth, and it is the smallest and the shallowest ocean, and it is mostly surrounded by Asia, Europe and North America. And Arctic Ocean lack a salinity and mostly frozen throughout the water. The next domain of the earth is a atmosphere. Atmosphere, what is the atmosphere? The blanket of gases around the earth is called an atmosphere, and atmosphere is made up of mostly 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen that make a life possible on the earth surface. So there are different layers of atmosphere. This is earth. The first one is a troposphere, second one is a stratosphere, third one is a mesosphere, fourth one is thermosphere, and last is a exosphere. And troposphere extends from the sea level to atmosphere at a height of 20 kilometers, then stratosphere 50 kilometers, then mesosphere at 85 kilometers, and thermosphere at 690 kilometer, and the last one exosphere, it extends about 10,000 kilometers. So these layers protect the earth from ultraviolet rays that are coming from sun to earth. And the last one is a biosphere. Biosphere includes an area around the planet where life exists, where biosphere includes green plants, animals and water bodies and insects. So in this chapter we have studied about the three domains of earth, about the 7 continents, 5 major oceans of the world, atmosphere and biosphere. And then on the page number 48 you have to find out, on the page number 48, fill in the blanks, true, false, and answer the one words are given. Now it's your homework to read the chapter thoroughly in detail and try to find out the fill in the blanks, true, false, and one word, and write down in your notebooks. Thanks and have a nice day.